For number 2, we're trying to take the limit as x goes to 0 of 5 sine of 4x over 7x. So if we plug 0 into the denominator, it's going to be 0, and plug 0 into the top, sine of 0 is 0, 0 times 5 is 0, so it'll be 0 over 0. So that is one of our indeterminate forms, which means I want to use L'Hopital's rule. So if I use L'Hopital's rule, I'm going to copy the limit down, and I want to take the derivative of the top and the bottom separately, so no quotient rule. So this will be 5 times cosine of 4x, and then by the chain rule also multiply by 4, and this is all over 7. So let's kind of clean that up a little bit. This will be 20 cosine of 4x all over 7. So if you plug in 0, then cosine of 4 times 0 is cosine of 0, which is 1. So this will be 20 times 1, and then there's just a 7 on the bottom. So this is going to be 20 over 7. Now again, we could not have found this unless we took L'Hopital's rule. So if you look at the original problem, we could not get that. We had to take the derivative of the top and the derivative of the bottom first. And we can only do that with L'Hopital's rule, and we can only do that if it's an indeterminate form at the start. So that will be our answer.